Bilecik borders 4 different climates and form a canvas bursting with all the colors of an impressionist painter specializing in nature. With its 3 kilometers length, the Harmankaya Canyon in Yenipazar is home to 2 big waterfalls. The Suçlu waterfall in the same region is poured into a deep valley as if it belonged to a completely different geography. The Yenipazar pond is different than many larger and smaller ponds spotted around Pazaryeri. Küçük Elmalı, Büyük Elmalı, and Günyurdu ponds seem to represent a complete different climate than Pelitözü pond. Erikli Highland, neighboring Sofular and Kamçı Highlands, is a timeless piece of nature, surrounded by all shades of green. Located in the opposite direction, Kurşunlu village is already becoming popular with tourists interested in eco-agriculture and natural living. It's the one thing that money can't buy these days, to live in an unspoiled natural environment, experiencing life both modern and old at the same time. Bilecik is also the place for extreme sport enthusiasts. Its adrenaline-pumping geography is home to extreme sports and attracts trekking enthusiasts, climbing and rafting experts all year round. In Kınık village, there is one thing that has not stopped turning for nearly 100 years. Earthenware goods, which are made from red clay, look like a little break to the victory of plastics.